Hi Des.
Hi David.
Oh, are you alright?
Good, thank you.
Obviously we've popped down, we've been in Dublin, we were in Galway last night, and we've popped into Cork to come and see you. You reminded me earlier how long we've known each other.
That's right.
And I'd actually forgotten.
Yeah.
But you said the first time that me and you met was in 1995.
Yeah.
And you were having dinner round at our house, weren't you?
Yeah, we were doing a training course first in the house.
Yeah.
And then we were having grub and tea and scones.
I think has something gone wrong with the hotel?
Yeah, no, not the hotel. There's something gone wrong with where Frank done the training from the room in Preston.
Right.
Some problems
so my
there.
mum invited you over for tea.
Yeah, we all went over. Yeah, yes, right.
I think I got kicked out. I think you ate my tea, didn't you? Wasn't a good start to the relationship.
You came in with your two friends, your dad threw you out.
That sounds about right.
I remember it well, yeah.
So how long have you been coming? I mean, obviously Frank's training the training courses for a long time, Des, but how long have you been intending Autoinform for?
We done it 2 years ago.
Yeah.
The
Wolverhampton event.
Yes.
Yeah.
We were supposed to go last year, but my wife got sick, so we had to cancel out of that.
Okay.
And then we were trying to go to Scotland, and then she still wasn't right.
Right.
So we're just waiting now for you to come back here to Ireland.
Right. And tell me, obviously Frank's training as well, but how has Frank's training and Autoinform especially help your business? How's it changed your business?
Oh, just the way he teaches you to repair cars, to investigate the problems. His teaching of the oscilloscope. Yeah. Even with serial diagnostics.
So would you say it's helped shape your business the way it is today?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Oh God, yeah.
I mean, this year, obviously we've got James Dillon.
Yeah.
Another fantastic guy. We've
got
James.
Brilliant, yeah.
We've got Frank, my dad.
Yeah.
Andy Sava.
Andy's fantastic,
We're talking about three of probably the best people, most influential people in the industry.
Yeah.
Coming to Cork.
Yeah.
Me as well, might include myself on that bill.
Young Massey.
Yeah, well, I'm doing. I can't rival my dad's skills in diagnostics, but I'm going to do a different spin on things. I'm going to do a presentation and course on online marketing, how to grow your business and attract better customers. So I'm bringing something new to the table.
Right.
I'm trying to raise the standard of the industry.
Yeah.
So, $1 million question, Des. Are you coming to Autoinform 2019?
Oh yes, the three of us will be here.
Three of us?
Yeah.
I was hoping you'd bring about 100 people with you.
Yeah, we'll arrange that.
Is that all right?
Yeah.
Have you got friends and family?
Yeah, we'll arrange that, yeah.
Okay, no pressure.
No pressure. We'll arrange that, I think, it's definitely the place to go.
Right, okay, mate.
If you're interested in staying in the motor industry, it's the place to go.
Right.
To meet the guys, to learn, and just go forward.
Right, fantastic. Well, look, in that case, I'll see you in April. 27th, 28th in Cork.
That's correct,
all right, buddy?
Thank you.
Thanks for your time, mate.
Thank you, bye.
Thank you.